Back to that story just breaking right now. Pharma Bro Martin Shkreli sentenced to 7 years for a securities fraud conviction. Shrkeli became infamous for raising the price of a life-saving AIDS drug by 5,000% and fighting back against his critics online. I want to go right now to Deirdre Bolton, who is live outside the courthouse with more. Hi, Deirdre.
Hi, Trish. So as you said, I am right here in front of the courtroom. This news is 7 years for Martin Shkreli. So he was crying before the sentencing, Trish. He was crying during it. He was whisked away really quickly after it. I want to mention, just going through some of these details here. So 7 years for securities fraud, 5 years for conspiracy to commit securities fraud. For those who don't know, conspiracy, or rather securities fraud, is basically just lying to your investors. And then conspiracy to commit securities fraud is essentially an attempt at stock price manipulation. So he was found guilty of both. The sentencing, 7 years and 5 years respectively, will actually be served out, those two terms, concurrently. As you know, Trish, he has already been ordered to forfeit assets worth $7.5 million. So part of that is cash, part of that is a Picasso painting, part of that is a Wu-Tang Clan album. And essentially what happened here is the judge seemed to go right down the middle. We were talking about the least amount of time that Shkreli could get, and it would have been between 12 and 18 months. The most amount of time was between 15 and 20 years. So it seems as if the judge, in picking this headline 7-year number, went right down the middle. So essentially, this is a pretty long sentence by historical standards for securities fraud, but a lot of legal eagles that I've been speaking with, even around the courthouse, say, listen, he really didn't help himself. Trish, you know, he did a bunch of, what can we call them, stupid pranks. In the meantime, I mean, the judge had revoked his bail back in August and September, and he's actually been in jail since September because on his Facebook page, as he now calls it, a joke, he actually put out a $5,000 bounty on the hair of Hillary Clinton. He said it was a joke. The judge said one of your 70,000 Facebook followers could have taken you up on that, and he was deemed a threat to the community. Headline number, once again, Trish, before I send it back to you in the studio, 7 years for so-called Pharma Bro Martin Shkreli. Trish?
All right. Thank you very much, Deirdre Bolton.